Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 50 moving average in TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to indicators, click on it, and here type simple moving average. Okay, this one, moving average simple. Click on it one time. And as you can see here, this is the moving average. Now let's make it a 50 moving average. Go to this arrow right here and choose this one, SMA. Click on the gear icon, go to input and change the length to 50 because this one is a 50 moving average. Now go to style and here you can change the color of the moving average if you want. So let's choose, for example, gray, and you can change the thickness of the moving average from here. Okay, so let's choose, for example, this one and click on OK after you finish. And as you can see here, this is our 50 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.